video upload from Aspie YouTube. You're right now watching Aspie Chef when I do cook off, and I've got a special guest here for this one.
Hi, I'm Matt.
Hello, Matt. Yeah, how's it going?
Good.
So, what's for dinner, Matt?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, spaghetti bolognese, as you say?
Yes.
So, let's have a look at ingredients, shall we, before we have the spaghetti bolognese, since we've got heaps of them.
You ready, spaghetti?
Well, just to show you ingredients there. So what we've got there is pork and beef mince, which is a combination. And what pasta do we have, Matt?
We have
Spaghetti and mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Yes, mushrooms. And just for part of our sauces is just 1 cup of beef stock or 500 ml. And oh yes, you're excited about the olives, are you? And aren't you excited about the diced tomato there? And don't forget the baby capers, and also we're going to top off Parmesan cheese. Oh, the tomato paste.
What's spaghetti bolognese?
Oh, Matt, what did you do that for? Oh, Matt, you wrecked it. Anyway, we've got the brown onions there, and just some of the herbs here. We've got oregano, and we've got a bit of basil, and tomato sauce rich. I've got Worcestershire sauce, and red wine vinegar, and how about balsamic vinegar there. The other ingredients we'll be adding to the spaghetti bolognese will be 2 teaspoons worth of crushed garlic, something that I buy in this tube, and also going to be adding a dash of extra virgin olive oil. And to thicken the sauce 20 minutes into the cooking, we're going to be adding half a cup of milk. So this is all ingredients that we'll be needing to make the spaghetti bolognese happen.
Our dinner.
Our dinner, Matt?
Yes.
Oh yes, I'm ready to continue after I've shown what ingredients we're going to have. And we're going to make this one of the best spaghetti bolognese that you may ever taste if you follow our instructions. Well, anyway, let's start get cooking after seeing it all. Here we go. Before we get started on the spaghetti bolognese, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to chop and peel the onions. While my friend Matt there, he's going to use this device that automatically dice the onions, which we're going to be sauteing in the start of it. My friend Matt has just then prepared the olives, ready to be adding the spaghetti bolognese soon. Alright dudes, before I get started, I'm actually going to fill this one up. What I'm going to do with this pot here is, that's where I'm going to be cooking the pasta. So I'll just leave that sitting there, and I'll make sure I keep the lid on it. Right, here we go. I'm going to remove the simmering lid and turn on the stove on high heat. So that's on high heat, and I'm going to oil the pan there. And dudes, I'm going to replace the lid. Well, here we go, Matt.
Yep.
It's starting to heat up. I'm going to turn it down to medium heat, and look at all the steam.
Let me smell.
We are adding the onion and the mushrooms. We are adding 2 teaspoons of garlic.
After once the onions been sauteed and the mushrooms been softened, it's time to add in the meat. So I've gathered to my friend Matt to add in the beef pork mince, and he'll start by chopping it up and giving it a good stir. Basically, as I'm browning the meat, now I'm just trying to make sure you're really mixing the mushrooms and the onions there. Next, add in the olives. Thank you, Matt.
You're welcome, David. Okay, I said welcome, David. That's the good manners display.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks that everyone has to hear that manners. Everyone has to hear manners.
Yeah. After I've added in the olives, I like to put in about 3 teaspoons worth of capers there. Or we can make it 4 teaspoons worth of capers there. And we'll give it a good stir. Okay, here we go, Matt. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste in there.
Yep.
And I'm going to add in a bit of this Worcestershire sauce.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
Next I'm going to add in a dash of wet wine vinegar. Balsamic vinegar.
Okay. Yep, vinegar.
And now, 1 cup worth of beef stock here. And a whole entire tin of Italian diced tomatoes.
Wow, looking good.
And we give it a bit of a good mix and a good stir.
Now we have to see if they like it.
Oh yes.
And if you like it, get the pay.
Okay, here we go. Put a lid on it. And here we go, Matt. The time begins now. And here's the clock. And now I've got that boiling. We're going to turn it down to medium heat. Or we're going to put it down to low heat actually, because we're going to simmer it now. Oh, what do you reckon?
That's good.
Okay, we want to put the lid back.
Back on.
And that's how long it's been. Now, what we're going to do next is, I'm going to just move the pot and get that heated up. Well, the heat was pretty intense there.
We don't want to burn ourselves.
No, we don't. Here we go, Matt. I'm going to turn this to 180 and ready to fan bake.
Oh, I've got some garlic bread.
Well, this is how long it's been, Matt. And look,
Well,
18 minutes. And if I lift up the lid, I know what you're going to put in there.
Oh, the milk.
Uh-oh, Matt's putting milk in there. Just only half a cup of milk there. And give it a good stir.
Yes, there it is. There we go.
My apprentice chef.
The chef.
Because that's going to richen it up.
Oh, yes. Come on. Stir it up. Come on. Whoa, look at that. It's changing colour.
Oh yeah, it is changing colour.
It's going to look more like orangey now.
Oh yes, that's right.
See?
And we'll put it down.
Oh.
Well, it looks like the water's boiling, Matt.
Yep.
And how do you feel about this? And what I like to do is, I'm going to add in some salt. And when adding the pasta, never break them.
Oh.
Matt puts in the pasta. And we're going to use this. And that's how long it's been since we've started cooking the meat. And the reason why we don't break up the spaghetti is very un-Italian. Because like, I think you go to jail if you bake the pasta if you're in Italy. Okay, now Matt told me we've got another 9 minutes to go, didn't we? Do you know what that means? Well, after now I put a garlic bread in the oven, that's going to take that long for it to bake at 180 degrees centigrade. Now Matt, while dinner's going good, we'll want to remove the lid.
Yes.
And now start ripping the leaves off. Some of them, and I'll rip the leaves off of oregano. Matt will do the basil. And do you know why we're using real big leaves?
Yeah.
Because you don't like the mixed chopped herbs.
No.
Yeah, because you've got sensory issues. And if they're small mixed chopped herbs, tell me what you call it. Foods you really hate the most.
Yucky.
Oh, yucky stuff, wasn't it?
Yes.
And this is real Italy, what we're doing.
Italy.
If we make this real Italian, it just means that it's the yummiest stuff in Australia. And while Matt's actually doing the basil, that's how long we've got to go before we even finish cooking it. We've got about 6 minutes to go, Matt.
Yes.
And I'll continue putting in the oregano. And now, Matt, guess what? The pasta's finished. And we will do this because it's going to get very hot. And that's all our pasta. Okay, here we go, Matt. We only got a very short time left. We only got 1 minute to go. And what I'll do is I'll turn off the stove. We don't need it. And if we give it a good stir, it's going to help to thicken up the sauce. Are you going to have a look at how thick the sauce is? Well, here we go. This all comes to the very end of our cooking journey now.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done! What do you think of this?
Sounds good.
Oh yes. So are you ready to eat?
Yep, I'm ready.
So let's take it outside. Oh Matt, so what do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay, you want to take your first bite?
Okay. Delicious.
I've got to try that. I haven't had that before for my YouTube. Oh, Matt, this is so well done.
This is so good.
Okay, garlic bread.
Delicious stuff. Ow. Oh. I have to cut it out a bit.
Get any oil's hot. Careful with those you drink.
Yeah. Coconut water. Yummy.
Watermelon water. Yum. Well, there you have it, dudes. This is spaghetti bolognese. And yeah, sorry about this, Matt. If you like what I'm doing there, tell everyone to subscribe to my channel. And what about if people ring that notification bell? And what about people like to share this video? And what about in the bottom of the description if you check out all my previous works? I'll leave a link to a playlist to find all my previous Aspie chefs that I've done. And right now, you're watching this spaghetti bolognese. Something I've collaborated with Matt on this one. It's a bit of a must do. Well Matt, what do you think of it since you ate more of it than I have?
That's good.
I'm glad that Matt loves it. And I would say, this is something you're going to say, Matt, before you have that garlic bread.
Right.
Anyway, peace of respect. Anyway, bon appetit. We're eating peace, don't we?
Oh,
Yeah, we don't want the camera shoved in our face. Let's eat. Peace and respect. The video's done. Woo!